see. Just a note from CareerMaker again. Work, jobs, careers, and organizations are systems within systems. Fritjof Capra gives a super systems view of life, and you can find that on YouTube. We just see careers, jobs, work, business, it's very similar systems within systems. The objective is find your best role in this ecosystem, make the best contribution to others, and generate the highest returns for you. Our experiences are shared in the Foolproof CareerMaker system, which respect this system's approach. You can find CareerMaker on careerdevelopmentplan.net. Looking at an understanding of the systems within systems applied to the world of work will enable you to choose what you want to do, where you want to do it, with whom you want to do it, and you will definitely produce much more. We find so many people that works for money and so few people that work for joy and get much more money. And that remains our objective, that work should be fun. If you just look at the normal business model in strategic planning, marketing strategy, purpose-driven business, it all starts with a purpose. Your purpose is to make a huge contribution to the world and let the world give you an even bigger amount of money. Then life cannot be but fun. If you therefore look, starting with purpose, you look at your objectives and your tasks. As you look at objectives and tasks, your mission and your vision becomes a lot clearer. It is a dynamic process. Strategy covers a continuous alignment between the work you do, your job, building your career, as your mission, your career vision. So the same model applies to career managers as applies to building and managing companies. Let us then briefly look at the ecosystem of business. And people without a functional literacy about the ecosystem, without the insight, a clear view, a clear approach, and the attitude to make a big contribution and to manage the money they get, versus work for money and do any work that they are given that pays the money, which creates a very poor life. All business, be it government business, private business, do-goody business, doesn't matter. Shareholders determine the purpose. You can call them broadly stakeholders. They want to see certain results and growth. They then come together, put the money together with a board and an executive management, and the objective is to achieve the results and generate a healthy profit on their investment. And if you can generate more profit with less capital, wow, your business becomes extremely valuable, as we have seen with the huge growth businesses like Dell and Google and Microsoft and Cisco in the technology world where I come from. Secondly, there are systems of production. Then there are personnel that have roles to achieve this production. This production must add value to a client with a clear need. Now, if you understand the client's purpose, how to improve the production to deliver with less cost and less risk, your profit increase. When the profit increase, you are paid more. As you are paid more, you can do more. So it is a very tightly integrated system. You also find that shareholders also talk to clients. Shareholders also talk everywhere. And personnel can talk everywhere if you give yourself permission. So the ecosystem of production or business or any service delivery must have these minimum elements. Now, we can make it very complex, but I believe for a start, this is a very valuable functional literacy to be aware and grasp it more and more. Lastly then, let us take a look at your best contribution in this system of systems. If you focus on the work that adds the maximum value to the client, the maximum value to shareholders, growth around you, growth in your industry, then your opportunities will grow. And in the end, as much as you focus on the results for the business will focus on the results for you. So it's not as complex as people make it out. On careerdevelopmentplan.net, we offer exactly such a foolproof career maker system to get you aligned and ready with access to the job of your dreams. You should not feel you work at all, not for one day. So, work, jobs, careers, and organizations are systems within systems. You've got to find the best role for you, and you must and you will thrive. Now, on Career Development Plan, we will assist people to get this alignment, to get this job where they never feel they work for a day. I hope you've enjoyed it, and hope I see you on Career Maker Development Plan.